Welcome to the Daily App Show. Today we have an application for your iPhone as well as your iPod Touch called SelfShot, Selfie Shootout App by Turkish Airlines. If we open up the application, it's going to bring us here into the main menu where we can get started. You see, the idea with SelfShot is to take yourself on the destinations you've seen on the Kobe Messi TV ad from Turkish Airlines. If we tap Get Started, we'll bring us to the next screen where we can view our most liked selfie wins a round trip from Turkish Airlines. Tap More Info and it's going to give us information about the contest that we can win by taking our selfie and uploading it to social networks. If we wanted a little bit of inspiration, we can also tap on Watch the TV ad and it's going to load up the ad for us to watch. So I'm going to go ahead and tap Begin, which is going to bring me into my next phase where I can pick my destination. These are all destinations that have been part of the ad, so all I have to do is scroll through and I can view all of the nice photos that I can choose to put my selfie in. So once I found one I want to use, I think this one of this right here, I'll use this top one. Tap there. I can also add props. You see I have a lion, and what looks like a little raccoon or monkey, and then some scuba gear if I wanted to go underwater. And I can also tap on this little light bulb icon, which see it says choose your favorite destination and pick next. So I'll go ahead and tap to close and I'll just hit next. And where it's going to bring me here now is to take a selfie. So now what I'm going to do is for best results, you want to take it in front of a white background. So I'm going to go ahead and take a selfie. Got one right there. Now what I can do is I can retake or I can hit next to go on to the next phase. Here we're going to crop our portrait in the manner that we want to. All I have to do is zoom in or zoom out by the pinching, and I can go ahead and drag this down a little bit to get a little bit less headroom. Now tap next, which is going to bring us into our masking phase. Here we have some basic controls at the top. We have you, which is where we can paint who we are, and then surroundings, which is going to let us paint our surroundings. So I'm going to go ahead and paint what it thinks is the wall. And look, it's actually done a pretty decent job of masking my face. But if I can hit the magnifying glass and pinch to zoom in or zoom out and get a little bit more detail if I wanted to and go ahead and paint in different areas. If I ever make a mistake, I can hit the forward and back buttons to redo or undo any of my masking. Now that I've got it masked, go ahead and hit next. And what this is going to do is bring me into the next phase where it's going to actually input and process the mask and then put my selfie onto the background that I've chosen. Now we're here. Now what I can do is tap on my image and drag and pinch to zoom and rotate it in and out, put it where I want it to go. I can even tap and hold and it's going to flip my image around and give me the different view. I can rotate it by using my two fingers and rotating the image, and I'm going to put it in the manner that I'd like it to be in. I can even adjust the brightness and contrast of my image to get it to fill in with that image a little bit better. I can tap start over to start over anytime, and when I'm ready to, tap share, and it's going to allow me to share this image on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I can even apply a couple filters by tapping on filters, which allows me to do sepia and then a grayscale. And then I can save it to my camera roll by tapping save to camera roll. When I'm ready, go ahead and tap make new, and it's going to bring me back into the main menu where I can begin making a new selfie shootout. Once again, this application is called SelfShot, Selfie Shootout App by Turkish Airlines. If you like it, be sure and pick it up in the App Store today.